Hello everyone, I am Rahul Goel and I am from Triple IT Kota EC department. Today I am describing our project is the to make points in the image and store the all the coordinates in the store in the store the all the points in the Excel file and longest distance between 2 points and the draw a line between 2 points. Here is the basically firstly I am import the some package in Python. Our first package is the OpenCV. OpenCV is basically used for image processing, and the second package is our import math. Is math package is basically used for the calculating the mathematical operation, and the third package our is NumPy. NumPy stand for the numerical Python, and it consists of multi-dimensional array, and it's perform the operation and array, and the time package is used in display to use the display the time of our execution time. Firstly, I am declare to some variable to store the coordinates in of the points, and here is the variable to maximum distance. This maximum distance is used for the store the maximum distance 2 points, and list s is used for the storing the all the distance in the 2 points, and list x is store the all the coordinates of x coordinate of the points, and list y is store the all the y coordinates in the image points. Here's the click event function. Here, the click event function is take the five arguments. At the event is left button, the press, and the right button is the event, and x and by the coordinates of the points, and flag and params is used for the flag and params is basically used for the parameters. And if event is equal to cv2 dot event l button down is work as the L button as the left button is press into the window, then the all code is work. Firstly, declare the global variable again x1 by 2 y1 by 2 is for the code store the coordinate of x 2 points, and maximum distance is for the maximum distance, and a b I j variable is used for the indexing of the list, and list s store the all the distance, list x store the all the x coordinate of the distance, list y store the all y coordinates of the list by store the all the by coordinates of the points, and list x dot insert is basically perform an operation to store the all the x coordinate in the list to one by one, and list by dot insert is same work, then print x comma y coordinates in the terminal, then a function is derived. Here is the variable distance to store the maximum, to distance the 2 points, here as you can see, if this then a conditional operation is work as the if the distance of the 2 points is greater than the of the maximum distance, then the maximum distance will be updated, and the maximum distance is equal to distance, and the x and y coordinates of the 2 points will be uh, to and will and the x and y coordinate of the 2 points will be updated. Here the x1 is the first coordinate of the x coordinate of the first point. There is the list x j minus 1, and x2 is the sec in the x coordinate of the second point. There is the y1 is first point x y coordinate of the first point, and y2 is the y coordinate of the second point. Then insert then list s dot insert is basically used for the storing the all the distances. Then the print list, where the list is print the all distances one by one. Then Then we will update the indexing of the I and j. Here is the font for display the all the numbers to the click in the window. Then cv2.put text is perform to display to put text in an image. Then x and y is the coordinate, and font is font is basically use of this font, and size of the font is 2.0.5, and the color is 00 RGB color is red. Uh, Sieve.im is a function of the OpenCV to perform the show the image, and there is the image show img. There is the img is the Sieve.img. Where the image is read the Rahul.1png. There is the Rahul.1png is the basically a simple blank image. Mm, then then the function is event equal to c dot event r button. If the right button is pressed down, then display display coordinate on the shell. Then the x and y coordinate to display on the shell, and print list. Then the whole list is printed where the list is stored all the distances, and maximum, then print the maximum distance between any 2 points. Str maximum distance, and the maximum distance is find to use max function, where the max function is to max function is basically work to find the longest distance between the all the distances in 2 points. Then again the font is defined. Uh, Start time is time dot time. Here the time dot time function is store the uh, store the time to execution the all the algorithm is our algorithm all the time is taken. Here the start time is variable is store, and then a line is drawn between 2 points on the then the point cv dot cv2 dot line is perform is cv dot. Here the this line is executed and draw a line between 2 points where the 2 points is 2 point distance is longest, and the x1 comma y is the x1 comma y1 is first point on the longest distance, and the f2 y2 is the second coordinate of the 2 points, and the color is red, and is the data x is the data x is a variable who save save text is used for the save the list in the CSV file, and the data by is used for the all the coordinate by coordinate to store in the CSV file. Then print the execution time. Then again show the image, and then cv2.wait key is perform is basically work if the wait key function is not defined, then the window is display and take a point, and again and again close, then the next click not taken by the window. That is why we use the wait key, and take argument is a 0. There's the no argument is passed wait key, then the window is always keep in the and the image is keep in the window. Then c2 dot destroy all window. This function destroy all the window and close the windows. Uh, Here is the function where the image is display. When cv2 open cv is Firstly, I am explaining the OpenCV is used for the image processing. Then the IM read function is read the image rahul1.png. There is the rahul1.png, the blank image, and display the image. And IM show is used for the displaying the image. And and the cv2.mouse callback image click event. And the mouse callback function is image. Then if the image if we click the image, then the click event is function is activated, and the we are going to the this function, and all the processes will cover. And then wait key is used for the used for the press. Wait key is used for the keep the window and close the window. This is the then we test our program. This is the window we are displaying, and then we are write our roll number here 2036. And you can see that there is a when when the click is when the image click, then all points are there and the distance is list is printed. Here is the 501 points. Then we then I am click the right button. There is the here is the first and the last coordinate of the longest distance here. As you can see that maximum distance between 2 points this, and time of execution is this. and and here is our CSV file where all the points, all the x coordinate is stored. And here is the pi, here is the CSV another file where the all the pi coordinate is stored. Then here is our program. As you can see that our program is executed very well. And thank you very much.